Hey guys, my name is Rachael Brook and today I'm going to be showing you the limited edition Revlon gift with purchase that you will receive when you spend $45 or more on Revlon product at Myer. This 6-piece gift set is valued at $110 and contains 5 of Revlon's best-selling products. They all come in this gorgeous cosmetics bag, which has been inspired by summer. I'm now going to give you a close-up look of these products and show you how I like to use them. I firstly primed my skin with the Prep and Protect Primer, and then I followed that with the Revlon ColorStay Foundation and Concealer, and then I filled in my brows using the ColorStay Brow Pencil in the shade Blonde. Purchasing these products would be a great way to qualify for the Revlon gift. This first product I'm going to show you is the Revlon Highlighting Palette in Bronze Glow. This is a multi-dimensional luminous powder highlight which is perfect for creating a radiant glow. I love that you can use these tones individually or all at once. I'm going to use this on both my eyes and my cheeks today. Starting with this bronze tone, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids and a little underneath my eyes. I'm then going to take this highlight shade and apply it to my inner corners and under my brow bone. I'm then going to take this more golden tone and add it to the center of my eyes. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to use this Volume and Length Magnified Mascara in Blackest Black. This is an intense black formula that contains fibers for extra volume and length. I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. I like to get the brush right into the root of my lashes and then wiggle and brush up. This mascara looks amazing. Now back to the highlighting palette, I'm going to apply this to my cheeks. And to do that, I'm going to swirl my brush all over the colours and apply this to the apples of my cheeks and upwards. This adds a beautiful, luminous golden glow to the skin. Now onto lips, and I'm going to firstly apply the ColorStay Lip Liner in Mauve. I absolutely love these lip liner formulas. I own them in multiple shades. They last for hours, you can enhance your lip shape with them, and they also help your lip colour to last longer and not fade or bleed around the edges of your lips. I'm finishing up my lips now with the Ultra HD Matte Lip Colour in Kisses. This is a super lightweight velvet matte lipstick, and it feels super comfortable and moisturizing on the lips, and as you can see, the color is really pigmented. On my nails, I'm wearing the nail enamel in the shade Romantique. Happy shopping!